Today we're back from my pomegranate group, or maybe it's a clump, I don't know. It's a bunch of trees I started from seed that are all threaded through the top of a Coke bottle, and I'm just trying to fuse them together. As you can see, last September it looks like it had a good growing season. This lives outside all year round and it puts on some decent growth for living out there. In October it started to lose some inner leaves, and it's about to change colour. It's definitely shutting down for the winter. In November the leaves went yellow. They changed and dropped quite quickly, so it didn't really put on a good show. You can see here it's pretty much bare already. But now you can get a good look at how much growth there has been this year. If we move down to the trunks, you can see they are looking good. I'm not sure if there's any fusion or ground layer roots yet, but I'm happy enough with it. In February it's time for the big cutback. A big mess, so it's easier just to cut everything back short to kind of make it a bit easier to see what I'm doing. Then I can come in a bit closer and see what's happening. There are a lot of crossing branches or ones just growing into the middle. There's also a lot coming from like the same place. So they all need reduced or they're just going to turn into thick knuckles. It looks like the tree is going back a few steps when I do this, but each year it is slowly getting better. This is not going to be a fast process building this, but I think after a while I can end up with something decent. Here it is after, all reduced, basically back to the bare minimum. There's nothing happening in March, but this tree does take a while to wake up. In April it still looks the same, but if we zoom in you can see the buds are starting to show. In May it's absolutely covered in buds. It won't be long before they're all bursting open. In June, we finally have some leaves. It's looking small and bushy, but that's fine. It'll put plenty of growth on over the next few months. And here we are now, looking nice and healthy so far this season. Thanks for watching. See you next time.